Alright, here I'm going to show you how to set up your Drupal installation. We've already installed it and we've logged in using our administrator account, and you'll come to this home page. This will just show you, welcome to your new Drupal website. And it'll come through 4 steps to setting up your website. You can follow these steps here, which I'm going to come right back to. Go ahead and choose Administer and go down to Site Configuration, and then down here near the bottom we want to choose Site Information. And see, now the name of the site is Drupal, so we can go ahead and change this to whatever you want, or whatever your site's name is going to be. And then input your email address. And your site slogan. And as well as a mission statement and a footer message. So for my footer, I'm just going to write Be More Free 2010. Now you can also name your anonymous user, which by default their name is anonymous. Some people like to change this to non-registered user or whatever fits your site. And then your default home page, which right now I don't have any nodes, so just leaving it at the blank node is going to take us to that one home page. So let's go ahead and just save that. Now you see it's changed the Drupal to my website name, as well as the footer has been changed as well. That's usually the first thing you want to do. Also, you have other site configuration options such as actions, administration of themes, set up clean URLs, the date and time. This is important because you want to make sure that it matches your time. And that's the one we would like. Do you want user configurable time zones? Sure, because not every user is going to live in the same time zone. The first day of the week is Sunday. And then here you can set up the formatting. So now it's set for like military time. Let's see, which one do I want? (11 of November), that looks good. And this is all just based on your own personal preferences. Go ahead and save that. You can also go to error reporting, to where you can enable or disable error reporting. You can set up your file system, which will tell it where the files are located and how they can be accessed. Now, a little note, if you read here, when you set up your paths, this without the / at the beginning tells it that it's in the site's root path. So if I put a / in front of that, that's going to go to the actual root directory of the whole system, not just the path for the folder which this website is contained. So right here, this being a / temp, that means it's going to be in my root temp folder, which is outside of this Drupal installation. And then you have your download method. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and save that, even though we didn't change anything. And that's your basic setup. If you want to put it down for maintenance, you can take the site offline and you can leave this message here, or you can alter that, which I'm going to do now because I'm setting up my site. And performance, if you want to enable or disable compression and caching, block the cache. There's also logging and alerts. This can help with database logging. Let's see, input formats. I'm going to go ahead and change this to full HTML because I'm the one primarily who posts articles, and that's what I prefer. Now, if you have a large list of users who are going to be submitting content, then you may want to keep it filtered to keep your traffic down, because there are security risks to enabling anonymous users to use full HTML. You can set up your image toolkit. As you can see, that it says the GD toolkit is installed and working properly. And the file system, which we just covered. That's pretty much it for the main administration and the setting up of your Drupal site. Stick around for the next video where I'll go into detail on creating custom content as well as views and other aspects of Drupal.